retour sur la comédie du siècle dernier. Bon anniversaire, certains l'aiment chaud. Le classique de Billy Wilder fête ses 50 ans et Tony Curtis, seul survivant du trio, est avec nous en exclusivité.
Not since the 7-year itch, so much Marilyn.
Billy Wilder was going to have Marilyn fall in love with the two men. When we started the movie, he saw it didn't work. Falling in love with Lemon was not possible for a girl like Marilyn. She needed more in a relationship, more excitement. She needed more pain. She needed more elusiveness. And she only got that from me. Why? I don't know.
Un petit peu de fausse modestie, ça ne fait jamais de mal. Tony Curtis est un tombeur notoire, amant de nombreuses starlettes, marié 6 fois, rien que cela. Tony ne l'a jamais caché, il aime les femmes et ces deux dames le savent bien. Elles étaient membres de l'orchestre du film Certains l'aiment chaud. Tony Curtis, dit-on, avait fait un ravage pendant le tournage. Et Marilyn Monroe, elle était comment?
Marilyn Monroe was not very smart. Every time she saw a man who was able to use the words of life in a very delicate and artistic way, she fell in love with him because they fulfilled in her. Huh? Do you understand that? By the way they made love to her, by the conversations they had. So there were many men which created this inability to judge life. And that was Marilyn.
Don't love nobody, it's not worthwhile. All alone, running wild.
High School Musical, Save the Last Dance, Sexy Dance, Flash Dance. Vous retrouverez tous ces classiques à la sauce Wayans, c'est-à-dire parodiés, tournés en dérision, dans la comédie Dance Movie. Dance Movie reprend la trame de Save the Last Dance, c'est-à-dire la jeune fille blanche qui tombe amoureuse d'un jeune garçon noir et tous deux rêvent bien sûr de devenir danseurs professionnels. En version Wayans, voici ce que ça donne.
I'm Damon, I'm the star of the movie.
You're the only guy who can say I'm a star of a film where you have like what? You know, all the family in it.
Everybody, look at us. It's like a sea of Wayans.
Are you a Wayans?
Yes, I am a Wayans. Damien Dante Wayans.
Who's your father?
My mother is Elvira Wayans. Yes, my mother, Elvira Wayans. It's all right. You gotta catch up.
Are you a Wayans?
Yes, I am. I'm the funniest one.
Et voilà comment la deuxième génération des Wayans s'est imposée. Il est clair que c'est avec la notoriété et l'argent de la première génération, c'est-à-dire les Keenan, les Marlon et autres Sean, mais il faut reconnaître que chez les W, la blague est innée. Et elle se transmet comment?
Funny sperm.
We should do some research on stem cells and have the Wayans.
Let's do it. If somebody needs a funny kid, come to the Wayans family. There's a lot of boys. We got plenty of sperm. We'll hook you up.
The comedies of today, I don't think much of them. They're predictable. The secret of excellent films is that when you see it on the screen, it holds back the story. It doesn't let you think ahead of the story.
Il existe toutefois un genre de cinéma où, quel que soit le film, on sait exactement ce qui va se passer. Avant de dire que tous les films X se ressemblent, attendez de voir ce que le Salon Erotica de Los Angeles nous a offert cette année. Des starlets, c'est évident, et c'est un peu pour cela que nous sommes là, mais surtout, la nouvelle tendance, des parodies de séries télé célèbres. Et là, tout le monde y passe. The Office, pour les feuilletons les plus récents, Seinfeld, ça c'est pour les puristes, Star Trek pour ceux qui veulent du kitsch, et pour tous ceux qui ont fantasmé sur Samantha Stevens, la version X de Ma sorcière bien-aimée.
I think they're really fun and really cool for us to do as performers and also for the fans to see because they always fantasize about a lot of their mainstream shows and the mainstream characters and the actors that are on them. But I also think it's important for the industry not to put out too many of them and oversaturate the market with it. Do enough, but not too much, guys.
There are more scenes with dialogue
dialogue and longer hours shooting dialogue, I think, than it is actually the sex. When people actually get to the sex of the movie, they're like, woohoo, the easy part.
What's all the racket about?
Lui, c'est le petit nouveau dans le milieu. Il s'appelle Thomas Ward, il est sosie et imitateur de Bill Cosby et il est héros du Cosby Show Triple X.
What comedian would turn down being in a porn? You know, you don't have to have sex. I mean, it just was a real different experience, and I really wanted to reach like an audience that may have never seen me do stand-up, or you know, may not watch like a black movie, an African-American movie or something I may already be in. It's gonna raise the level of acting in adult films, because, you know, it's not, you know, someone knocks on the door, did someone order pizza? You know, and they have sex. You know, people are really acting in this.
This is Sank. Huh? Give me Sank.
Voilà.
Voila is right.
Merci, Monsieur Curtis.
Merci bien.
Merci à vous.
Ainsi s'achève notre spécial consacré au 50e anniversaire du film Certains l'aiment chaud. Alors derrière moi, un monument historique de la ville de Los Angeles, le Bradbury Building, le décor du film Blade Runner. On se retrouve la semaine prochaine, toujours depuis Los Angeles, pour une actu in situ made in Hollywood. Tout de suite, le lâcher de Bimbo. Ciao!